Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a Revolut account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, you have to make sure that you have the Revolut updated version and then you have installed it. Now go ahead, open the Revolut app and tap on the option of create account right away. Once you have tapped on it, you will have to enter your number. Go ahead, do so, and make sure you have chose the correct country code. Once you type on the create account, you have to confirm your number, and then you just have to wait for it to process further for you to get the code. Now once you have got the code, simply type in the code right over there and let it verify. And now tap on not now for now. If you don't want to enable the notification, you can enable as well. Confirm the current country and tap on sign up. And if you want to leave your email, go ahead and enter the email of yours. Once you've entered your email information right over there, you have to again tap on continue. You will receive a code in your email. Go ahead, again add in the code to verify. Once you've provided the code to verify, you're good to go. Your account is right there created, and that is it. Once you have added the email, you will be able to verify again, and that is it. Your account is now created. You can choose to log out, and you can also choose to share the link as well, and that is it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.